An OZFX3 file is a calibrated raster map image built for OziExplorer, GPS navigation data used by hikers, off-roaders, and outdoor adventurers. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open or convert these calibrated map files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the OZFX3 error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. OZFX3 files are compressed raster map image files for OziExplorer GPS mapping software. They contain tiled and compressed map imagery with calibration data linking pixel coordinates to geographic positions for use in hiking, marine, and off-road GPS navigation. OZFX3 files use a proprietary tiled image format with JPEG compression and built-in georeferencing calibration points. They store map imagery in zoom-level tiles with header data containing datum projection and coordinate system information for accurate GPS overlay positioning. Des Newman maintains the integrity of the OZFX3 specification through OziExplorer. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows cannot interpret spatial attributes, so GIS programs are necessary to work with these files. To guarantee success, right-click your OZFX3 file and select Open With. If OziExplorer is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the OZFX3 format. If you are still having trouble opening the OZFX3 file, do not worry. Since this OZFX3 format is so specific, the error is likely a simple resource issue. Let's verify these essential technical details before we proceed. First, opening the file. Install OziExplorer from OziExplorer.com and open your OZFX3 file via File, then Load Map Image. OziExplorer will display the calibrated map with GPS coordinate grid overlay, allowing you to plan routes, set waypoints, and track GPS positions on the map. Next, converting to standard formats. Use the OziExplorer Map Merge Utility, or IMG2OZF tool, to convert between OZF formats. For GeoTIFF export, use QGIS with the OZMap plugin to import the OZFX3 file and export as GeoTIFF for use in other GIS applications and mapping software. Finally, using with GPS devices. Configure OziExplorer to communicate with your GPS receiver via serial or USB connection. Load the OZFX3 map and enable real-time GPS tracking to display your position on the calibrated map. Upload waypoints and routes from the map directly to your GPS device for field navigation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.